नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहिए। माई सेल्फ JVN मिस्टर कन्हैया लाल नागर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेटनरी साइंस एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Student, I will prepare this lecture class for BSc Agriculture Honors section. My subject post harvest management and value addition of fruit and vegetables. Students, we will discuss about topic respiration and factor affecting of respiration rate. What is now start fruit respiration. One of the fruit major physiological and biochemical change which occur in fruit and vegetables is change in the pattern of respiration. The respiration rate of produce is an excellent indicator of the metabolic activity of the tissue and thus is the useful guide to the potential storage life of produce. If the respiration rate of a fruit and vegetable is measured as their oxygen consumed or carbon dioxide evolved during the course of the development, maturation, ripening, and senescence periods. A characteristic respiratory pattern is observed. The respiratory pattern also impacts the pattern of evolution. The ethylene based on the pattern fruit can be classified into climatic and non-climatic. Few fruits exhibit the pronounced increase in respiration, increase in carbon dioxide and C2H4 consonant with the ripening. Such increasing in the respiration is known as respiratory climatic, and this group of fruit is called climatic. They are discussed climatic and non-climatic fruits. The climatic fruits normally they ripen after harvest, and non-climatic fruits are defined the fruits that does not ripen after harvest, only ripen on the plant itself. Second point, the quality of fruit change drastically. The after harvest characterized by softening, change in color and sweetness. Excellent in avocado, which will ripen only after detached from the plants. Non-climatic fruits, the quality does not change significantly after harvest, except little softening does not change to improve their eating characteristics. Third points, exhibits a peak in respiration, does not exhibit a peak. Fourth point में more ethylene is produced during ripening. इधर नॉन क्लाइमेटिक के अंदर लिटिल या नॉन इथाइलिन प्रोडक्शन. फिफ्थ पॉइंट के अंदर बताया कि सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीज इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोडक्शन एंड नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीज इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोडक्शन. सिक्स पॉइंट में बताया कि विद सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीज इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोडक्शन, एंड इसके अंदर बताया नॉन क्लाइमेटिक में स्लोली प्रोसेस. The Rarsian point, decrease in internal oxygen concentration, and their non-climatic fruits are more. which oxygen concentration? There are 8 points. Low concentration of ethylene, there about 0.1 to 1 micrometer microlengths per day is sufficient to hasten ripening. Not much response is seen to exogenous application of ethylene. 9. Example, many except in the opposite column. एंड एग्जाम्पल में बेल पेपर, ब्लैकबेरी, ब्लूबेरी, कोकोआ, केशव, एप्पल्स, चेरी, सिट्रस, कैरम्बोला, कुकम्बर्स, एग प्लांट्स, ग्रेप्स, लीची, लोक्वाट, ओकरा, ओली, पी, पाइनएप्पल, पोमग्रेनेट्स, पम्पकिन, raspberry, strawberry, summer squash and etc. These fruits are non-climatics. Respiration, they are process reaction. Respiration is the process in which stored organic material like carbohydrate, protein and fats are broken down into simple end product with release of energy source. The oxygen is used in the process and carbon dioxide is produced. These are formula C6H12 और 6 plus CO2, जिससे जो रिएक्शन बन के जो तैयार होती है, ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा होती है 6%, 6 CO2 plus CH2O plus energy 886 kilocalories. Oxidation of glucose generates an equal amount of carbon dioxide for the oxygen consumed, whereas oxidation of malate generates more carbon dioxide than the oxygen consumed. This ratio between the oxygen consumed and carbon dioxide produced is called respiration quotient. This relationship is important in measuring respiration by gas exchange. The oxygen concentration at which anabolic respiration common sense varies between tissue and the usual below 1% V upon V, and of flavors might result from fermentation. Respiration influences the product in flowing manner, जिसमें प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी को बनाने में, प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी में क्या इन्फ्लुएंस प्रभावित करता है. फर्स्ट है reduced food value for the consumer, reduced flavor due to loss of volatiles, reduced sweetness, reduce the weight of fruits. There are several factors of respiration rate. First stage of development. During optimum development, the rate of respiration variation occurs when the fruit becomes the bulky. Example, like at maturation stage, degree of respiration rate decrease as compared in initial development stage. In climatic fruit, the rate of respiration in minimum at maturity stage, but when ripening is about to start after harvesting, the respiration rate will increase to climatic peaks. Second, moisture content. If the moisture is a more, respiration is less because of dimension of sugar content. Respiration is more, water loss is more, so concentration of sugar is more, which leads to high respiration rate. More water loss led to desiccation rather than more accumulation of sugars. Third point, sugar of fruits. Small size of fruit have more exposed surface compared to bulky fruits. So respiration rate is more in small fruits. Fourth point are discussed coating on surface of fruits. More thickness of coating less, the respiration rate less. Fifth type of tissue are effect of respiration. They are discussed. Young tissue have more respiration rate more. इसके बाद में एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स के अंदर आ रहा है टेम्परेचर एट 0 to 35 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर respiration rate is increased at rate of 2 to 2.5 for every 2 degree centigrade temperature rising. The biological and chemical processes are affected when level of carbon dioxide is more. Under this condition, rate is low even at high temperature. Second, ethylene. Application of ethylene can be shift the time as the reach climatic peaks. Third, availability of oxygens. If oxygen is supplied more is produced like carrot, the respiration rate is increased to a certain level. Fourth point, carbon dioxide. Proper carbon dioxide concentration prolong the storage life of fruit by less respiration rates. Fifth point, growth regulators application. Malic hydroxides means MH application exhibits or accelerates the respiration rate act to purpose of applications. 6 point, foot injury. The mechanical injury is also be responsible to stimulating respiration rates. Thank you.